Hello everyone, my name is Shiza Faisal. I am an entrepreneur and founder of a student-led baking venture that began as a small cookie cart and expanded into a growing brand. My experience lies in building a food business from scratch, managing product development, branding, customer engagement, and scaling through digital platforms. Alongside my entrepreneurial journey, I study business and e-commerce, where I focus on digital selling strategies and online brand growth. My areas of expertise include product market fit in the food industry, digital branding, social media marketing, customer retention strategies, pricing for profitability, and transitioning a physical product into a structured online business model. The course I will be teaching is titled Building a Profitable Online Baking Brand, From Kitchen to E-commerce Store. This course is designed to help aspiring bakers and small food entrepreneurs transform their passion into a profitable online business.
In this course, students will learn how to identify a profitable niche within the baking industry, develop a unique brand identity, price products strategically, set up optimized online selling platforms, create high-converting product listings, and use digital marketing strategies to drive sales. Students will also learn practical skills such as cost calculation, content creation, and scaling from a home-based setup to a structured online brand. By the end of this course, learners will understand how to build a sustainable baking brand, avoid common beginner mistakes, increase profitability, and confidently sell their products online. This course is ideal for home bakers, students, aspiring entrepreneurs, and small food business owners who want to transition from informal selling to a structured e-commerce model.